You have tried all of the tips and the tricks online for public speaking, but your nerves still get the best of you. What's going on in this situation? Well, first of all, tips and tricks can be useful for people who are just looking to refine or modify their speaking skills. Tips and tricks are not useful for speakers who are looking to advance themselves into leadership positions, or they are speaking in front of higher stakes audiences. Why is this? Because when you are in a high pressure speaking situation, speaking in front of higher stakes audiences, more likely there's going to be a disparity in your vocal confidence. So in some situations you may have high confidence, in others you may have low confidence. You may be in the middle of a presentation and your confidence is all over the board. Tips and tricks are not going to work to pull yourself together in that situation. What you need to learn are more strategies to help you stabilize your vocal confidence really in all speaking situations. Because again, if you're in higher level job situations, you're going to be pulled into all different directions and be speaking on the spot. You don't have time to plan and prepare for these situations where you just need to present with confidence. So again, tips and tricks are useful. However, if you're looking to advance yourself as a leader and a communicator, you're going to have to do more work in order to plan, prepare, and execute with confidence.